Next example is if y equal to x raised to 4 into sin raised to 5x upon tan of 4x, then dy by dx is equal to question mark. Now in this example we have to give one division of two functions, y is equal to x raised to 4 into sin raised to 5x upon tan 4x. Therefore we have to use here logarithmic differentiation. Before that we write here option for this example. Option A, y into in bracket 4 upon x plus 5 into cot x plus 8 into cosec 8x, 8 into cosec of 8x. Option B, y into in bracket 4 upon x minus 5 into cot x plus 8 into cosec of 8x, cosec of 8x. Option C, y into in bracket 4 upon x plus 5 into cot x minus 8 into cosec of 8x. And option D, y into in bracket 4 upon x minus 5 into cot x minus 8 into cosec of 8x. Okay, now these are the four options. If we see, all these options are approximately similar, changes in only sign. Okay, now we have to choose correct answer. For that purpose we have to find the derivative for this equation. Now here function is division of two functions, then we use logarithmic differentiation. Taking log on both sides, we can write here log y is equal to log of in bracket x raised to 4 into sin raised to 5x upon tan of 4x. Then we can use here rule for logarithm, log a upon b equal to log a minus log b. Then we get here log y is equal to log of x raised to 4 into sin raised to 4x minus log of tan 4x. Okay, again here we use logarithmic rule, log a into b equal to log a plus log b, that is log y equal to log of x raised to 4 plus log of sin x bracket raised to 4 minus log of tan 4x. Now also we have to use third rule for logarithm, log a raised to b equal to b into log a for these two terms. Then we can write here log y is equal to 4 into log x plus 4 into log of sin x, 4 into log of sin x and minus log of tan 4x as it is, log of tan 4x. Okay, now we can take derivative for this equation. Derivative for log y, 1 upon y into dy by dx equal to 4. Derivative of log x, 1 upon x plus 4 into derivative of log of sin x. Derivative of log of sin x is 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x minus derivative of log of tan 4x. Again by using composite rule we can write derivative for log of tan 4x is 1 upon tan 4x into derivative of tan 4x is sec square 4x, sec square of 4x into derivative of 4x is 4. Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to y into in bracket 4 upon x plus cos x upon sin x means cot x, 4 into cot x minus 4 into sec square of 4x upon tan 4x. Okay, now here option is first two terms are same, 4 upon x plus 5 into here sin raised to 5x, therefore we can write here sin x raised to 5, therefore we get here 5, instead of 4 we can write 5, here also 5. Okay, now this term is different, third term, we have to solve this term. That is y into in bracket 4 upon x plus 5 into cot x minus 4 upon sec square of 4x means 1 upon cos square of 4x. Tan 4x means sin 4x upon cos 4x. Okay, this cos 4x one cos 4x cancel, that is we can write here y into in bracket 4 upon x plus 5 into cot x minus, here remains sin 4x into cos 4x. We multiply numerator and denominator by 2, then we can write here 8 upon 2 into sin 4x into cos 4x. Okay, that is y as it is, 4 upon x as it is, 5 into cot x as it is, minus 8 upon 2 sin theta cos theta means sin 2 theta. Using this formula we can write here sin of 2 theta, theta is 4x, therefore we get here sin of 8x, sin of 8x. Now finally we get here y into in bracket 4 upon x plus 5 into cot x minus 8 into 1 upon sin means cosec of 8x. Okay, now this is the value for dy by dx and this value in option number C. This is our correct answer. Okay, we have to solve this example in fast form. Okay, then we get answer dy by dx is equal to. Now we see next example here. The next example for logarithmic differentiation. The derivative of function y is equal to in bracket 1 minus x into in another bracket 2 minus x into in another bracket 3 minus x into so on n minus x. At x equal to 1, the derivative of function y at x is equal to 1 is equal to, we have to give an options here. Option first A 0, option B minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial, option C n factorial minus 1, and option D is minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, now we have to find the derivative for this function. We can take again log of both sides, then we can write log y is equal to log of 1 minus x into 2 minus x so on n minus x. Now we can use formula log a into b into c, then we get log a plus log b plus log c. That is log y is equal to log of 1 minus x plus log of 2 minus x, so on, plus log of n minus x. Okay, now we can take derivative, differentiate with respect to x, 1 upon y, dy by dx, derivative of log of 1 minus x, 1 upon 1 minus x into minus 1, plus derivative of log of 2 minus x, 1 upon 2 minus x into minus 1, plus so on, 1 upon n minus x into minus 1. Okay, now we can take minus 1 common, dy by dx is equal to, take this y to the RHS, y into in bracket, minus 1 common, in bracket remains 1 upon 1 minus x plus 1 upon 2 minus x plus so on, 1 upon n minus x. Okay, if we take addition for all these fractions, then we can write here dy by dx is equal to y into in bracket minus 1 into in bracket product of denominator side denominator 1 minus x into 2 minus x, so on, n minus x. At the numerator we can write here 1 into 2 minus x into 3 minus x into so on, n minus x. 2 minus x into 3 minus x into so on, n minus x. Okay, and plus so on remaining terms. Now if we put x is equal to 1 in this equation, then we can write dy by dx. Here this y means given example 1 minus x, 2 minus x, so on, n minus x. Here at denominator also 1 minus x, 2 minus x, so on, n minus x. This term cancel out. And if we put x is equal to y, x is equal to y, that is dy by dx at x is equal to 1, then we can write here minus 1 into 2 minus x minus 1 into here 2 minus x, minus x means 1, 2 minus x, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus x, 1, 2, 4 minus 1, 3. Like this we can write here 1 into 2 into 3 into so on, n. Last term is n minus 1. Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to minus 1 into, this is the product of n minus 1 natural numbers, and this can be written as in factorial form n minus 1 factorial. Okay, we get dy by dx is equal to minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial. Therefore our correct answer is option number B.